Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer your money to a debit card on the Cash application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have the Cash app application on your phone, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, let me just tell you that Cash App application is currently working on just the United States. So if you're living outside of it, I have a trick. You will find a video in our channel on how you can download it, sign in with it, start using it in this channel. So let's just get started. So how you can transfer money to your debit card. So first of all, of course, you would like to add a debit card, and all you need to do that, just go and click here at your icon at the top right corner, and then scroll down a bit until you find this linked bank. So just click on that and click on the plus icon with the link debit card. So here you would like to enter your debit card information.